Hi friends, this subtraction you can directly write down your answer within 3 seconds without touching your pen. Let's see how. Let's start with easy example. So 87 take away 49. Here 49, let's just write down 50. Okay. Now 87 take away 50 is 37. Now let's just see 49 we have written down 50. Okay. So we have subtracted one extra. That one that we subtracted extra we need to add in our answer. So 37 plus 1 is 38. Very easy. So this is the next example. 75 take away 21. So first of all 21 we can round off to nearest 10 and we can write 20, right? Now 75 take away 20 is 55. Now let's just see, you need to subtract 21 but you have subtracted only 20. So you have subtracted one less. Okay, so that one less you need to subtract further. Okay, so 55 take away 1 is 54. So in this question we can see 90 we can write it as 100. So 386 take away 100 is 286, right? Now see, you need to subtract 90 but we have subtracted 100. 10 extra we have subtracted. So that 10 extra that we have subtracted we need to add to balance the answer. So the answer is 296. So this is the question we have started with. Here we can round off the both numbers, right? 895 we can write it as 900. 448 we can write it as 450, right? Now 900 minus 450 is, let's just rub that, 450. Now let's just see 895 we have written 900, so we have added 5 extra. So that 5 we need to subtract from final answer. Okay, and we need to subtract 448 but we have subtracted 450, so we have subtracted 2 extra. Okay, so that 2 extra we need to add. So in our final answer we need to subtract 5 and add 2. Okay, so we need to subtract 3 from the final answer. So 450 take away 3 is 447. With little bit of practice you will do it mentally within 3 seconds. So this is the last question. Same trick we will apply here. 1017, let's just write it as 1000. Okay, and let's just write it as 500. So 1000 take away 500 is 500. Very easy. Now see, here 1017 but we have written 1000, so we have written 17 less, so we need to add that 17. And here we need to subtract 513. Okay, but we have subtracted only 500. We have subtracted 13 less, so that 13 we need to subtract further. Okay, so plus 17 and minus 13, so final will be plus 4. Okay, so 500 plus 4, that is 504. So this question is for you. You can just write down your answer in the comment box, and if you require one-to-one session you can contact over here. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.